Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And today's Ojibwe words and phrases. I think this is number 2. Today's Ojibwe words and phrases. You know, yesterday, sweetie, we started with the double vowel chart. Oh, yeah! So yesterday we were talking about zh, zh, sounds like ja in measure. A's are and son and that. 2 I's sound like e in miigwech or whatever. Well, today I just thought we could talk about some phrases. On today's Ojibwe words and phrases language lesson. These are some Ojibwe phrases. Hello. BOOZHOO. This show is called BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. That's like saying, hello, NANABOOZHOO. I know everybody already knows that. Yeah, they probably do, huh? Yeah. But, hello, BOOZHOO. Now, let's say you want to say my name. Sometimes people just say, you know, Nin NANABOOZHOO. It's NANABOOZHOO. Sometimes when I pray, I'll be like, BOOZHOO Gitchimanadu, Nin NANABOOZHOO. I'll just say, you know, hello, Great Spirit. It's me. You know, it's NANABOOZHOO. But when you're introducing yourself, you should say, in Ojibwe, we usually say our name first, and then we say, is my name. So I would say, NANABOOZHOO Nindijannikas. Nindijannikas. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Phrase of the day, I guess. Nindijannikas is my name. Here's a phrase we don't use that much, sweetie. WENABOOZHOO? Yeah. WENABOOZHOO. WENABOOZHOO is like saying BOOZHOO, but it's like welcome. WENABOOZHOO ando BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. WENABOOZHOO ando NANABOOZHOO. Neeman Wayne. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture too. I'm happy to be here with you today. Speak Ojibwe. Neeman Wayndom G-A-I-on Homanungun in English means I'm happy to be here today. That's all I wanted to say in Ojibwe. Welcome back to the show. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO,
The podcast
about Ojibwe language
and culture. I am Natasha. This is NANABOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show.
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. WENABOOZHOO ando NANABOOZHOO. Neeman Wayndom G-A-I-on Omanungum. But WENABOOZHOO. Welcome. And then if, let's say you want to say, come here. Ondas. Come here. I'm talking to you. Hey, come here. Ondas. A lot of your grandmothers you might have heard your grandma say this when you're outside playing and it's time to come indoors. You'll hear yell, "Bindigain, come in." Or actually, a lot of Indian guys when you come to their office, you'll be like, and you'll hear the Indian guy go, "Bindigain, come in." That's why I thought it was so silly. Remember when they put up all those signs around town? They were going to put Ojibwe signs in Bemidji, teach people the language. And they would have welcome or come in on the English speaking side.
Yeah.
And then they'd have BOOZHOO on the Ojibwe side. I'm like, guys, BOOZHOO doesn't mean come in. You can have Bindigain or Wena BOOZHOO, I guess. But anyway. Now please, oh please, Daga, please, Daga. And then, Ikadon Minowa. Say it again. Say it to my face this time. Nah. Ikadon Minowa. Say it again. I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Whoops. See you later. Gigawabamin. Gigawabama. Or Gigawabamin. Nagudge. Nagudge. See you later. Gigawabamin. Nagudge. Tonight.
I want to give it all to
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And welcome back to BOOZHOO
BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO.
My name is NANABOOZHOO. Over here, the lovely and the talented
Oh, get out of here.
Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO ni weenie mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart. BOOZHOO kakilawia.
And today, to start things off, today is Ojibwe word of the day. Where is it, sweetie?
I don't know. Where'd you put it?
Today is Anama A Gijakud. Anama A Gijakud. Prayer day.
That's right.
And sweetie, do you want to go outside and put out some tobacco and say a little prayer?
Well, sure, I'll do that.
Okay. Let me just scan for your coordinates for a second here.
Well, I'm sitting right here.
All right. And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number one.
All right.
Oh, it's really pretty out here. Hello, birds. BOOZHOO, B'nai Shiag. Yeah, so I come back out here and say a little prayer. I'm going to put out my tobacco and say a little prayer before we start the show today. Yeah. If I remember I got it. Here we go. Asema. Tobacco. Yeah, yeah, don't mind me. These birds, they chit-chat all through my prayer. They have no reverence. So, today's prayer, let's just start with a good old-fashioned, hello, Great Spirit. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Please accept my tobacco. Taka odapanan niwi asema. Please accept my tobacco. Thanks for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji ka kinakeku. Ka iji chikean nungum. Thanks for everything that you do today. Miigwech ka iji ka kinakeku. Ka iji chikean nungum. I say it twice because I'm really thankful. Miigwech for everything. Miigwech ka iji, miigwech ka kina. Everything. Kakina gegu. That's what it is. Kakina gegu. Thank you for everything. Amen. Apenge. And then I just sprinkle a little tobacco on the Mother Earth, on the Mama Aki. Well, seasons are changing. It's going to be September pretty soon. The leaves are changing. Are you changing? I sometimes wonder if I'm not changing. I know I'm getting older. I can feel it in my bones. But the changes of the seasons, it's enough of a reason to want to get away. Quiet and pensive, my thoughts apprehensive, the hours drift away. Leaving my homeland and playing a lone hand, my life begins today. I like changes of the seasons. I'm not really much of a summer girl, if I'm being honest. You're not going to find me down sunbathing at the beach. I don't do that kind of stuff. I'm much more of an autumn girl. My colors are autumn. I like the fall. And to me, it doesn't feel like the end. Everybody kind of talks, oh yeah, spring is the beginning and the fall and winter is like the end. But to me, the fall always feels like the beginning. Because when I was a girl, that's when school would start. When it started getting colder and stuff, summer vacation was over, but the school year would start. And then when I grew up and went to college, same kind of thing. You start wearing sweaters and scarves and carrying your book bag and tweed jackets. And because it was getting cold, but it was the beginning of stuff. So I always get kind of this giddy, excited feeling in the fall. I don't know. To me, the fall, it begins today. And why not? Why can't we just decide? All right, here's my little mini Auntie Natasha's moment of Ojibwe wisdom. Today's Auntie Natasha's wisdom, Nabwakawin, wisdom, is, we don't have to listen to the white man's calendar to say when a new year begins. The Misqua Mikana, the Red Road, the path of the true warrior. You might find yourself just deciding today's the day. I begin again. I'm going to quit doing all this stuff that's making me so unhappy. I'm going to quit tearing myself down. I'm going to quit ruminating on, what a victim I am of life's circumstance. Nah. And I'm going to start over. I'm going to get a haircut. I'm going to take a shower. I'm going to go for a run. And today we begin to lose some weight. Today I start working towards my goal again. And a lot of people get bummed out because they feel like they've been doing something for a long time and it's not working out and they're getting old and time's flashing before their eyes, and it can be depressing. But I think, why not just decide for yourself, nope. Today is actually the first day of the rest of my life. This is page 1 of the new chapter, and write a new chapter. Who cares about the old book you were writing? It's done. Nobody cares. But now you can write a new book, and you're the star of the show. You're the star of this novel, of this little tragic comedy called your life. And how will you write it? What? You're the main character. What are you going to be? The villain of the show? Are you going to be the hero? You're probably the hero. And this has been your Auntie Natasha's moment of wisdom. Moment of Nabuaka. What? I just tried my best here. These birds are making fun of me. Yeah, well, you come down here and try to be wise. No. All right, I'm going to Mahjong. I got to go. Yeah, I'm going to go back home. No, well, I'll be back tomorrow. Okay. All right. Boop, 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 boop. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
Oh, hi. You ready to come in?
Yeah, can you pick me up?
Yeah, no problem. Hang on, let me scan for your coordinates here. And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Hey, welcome back.
Hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, the lovely and talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
All right. You want to wrap things up?
Yeah, sure, I'll wrap things up. Hey, everybody. Miigwech, Gabiz, and Dawiyeg. Thank you for listening. Dash Miigwech, Ganawabiyeg. And thank you for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
Take two.
Take two.
Loving you isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel? If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. Open up, everything's waiting for you. You can go your own way, go your own way. You can call it another lonely day, another lonely day. You can go your own way, go your own way. Tell me why everything turned around. Packing up,
checking up's all you wanna do. No. If I could, baby, I'd give you my world. How can I, when you won't take it from me? You can go your own way, go your own way. You can call it another lonely day, another lonely day. You can go your own way, go your own way. You can call it another lonely day, another lonely day.
BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
And welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the
podcast
about
Ojibwe language
and culture. My name is Michael Lyons. This is Natasha. And
BOOZHOO!
over there we have NANABOOZHOO.
Okay.
Now, before we get started, let's do another song. How about... Okay, I'm going to try this, and I guarantee I'm going to screw it up.
Oh, I love this song. Landslide. I guess Fleetwood Mac is sort of the theme.
I took my love and I took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around. And I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills, till the landslide brought me down.
Oh,
Mirror in the sky, what is love? Can a child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the changing ocean tide? Can I sail through the seasons of my life? I don't know. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you.
oh, me?
But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. Climb the mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring us down, down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide'll bring us down, down. The landslide'll bring us down, down. Oh, landslide'll bring us down.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons.
Okay, hey, BOOZHOO!
BOOZHOO!
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. I am NANABOOZHOO,
And I am Natasha.
and we'd like to invite you to join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel. For $4.99 monthly, you get exclusive perks, exclusive members-only live stream, Auntie Tasha's moment of wisdom, huh, sweetie?
That's right.
And after today, I'd say
Candid behind the scenes discussions with creator Michael Lyons. And new music videos, dead celebrity interviews from heaven, what have you. And of course, cat videos of Bagheera.
These were the golden days.
Click the link below. Join the BOOZHOO Crew membership channel, $4.99 a month. We'll see you there. And I will see you again. Kiga Wabamin. Minawa.
So it goes, or so they say. Times like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape.
There's a lot of Michael's books on this wall. This is kind of the what you call it, the cartoonist corner. The Rockstar cartoonist corner. You got Rockstar cartoonist there, a comic book autobiography. There's a little cutie. All mixed blood. Inamanji-o. Inamanji-o is a coloring book. And another coloring book that Michael's got for sale is an English OJIBWE coloring book. An English OJIBWE coloring book. Hey, you know what? Actually, I think I might have some samples of this coloring book.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right here. Oh, I'm just prepared this morning.
Yeah, you are. Somebody got up
An English
early.
Ojibwe coloring book by Michael Lyons.
Oh,
And BOOZHOO Mamengwa.
BOOZHOO.
Hello, butterfly. These are just some cartoons, some coloring books. This is from the Little Cutie story, A Teddy Bear's Vision Quest.
He's just sad.
Oh wow, look at this, sweetie.
Migazy. The eagle.
Oh, this is a cute one.
Yeah, I love this one.
Yeah. Aubrey from Little Cutie. Here's a fun fact. Aubrey is actually Michael Lyons' middle name. This little girl in the Little Cutie story.
Yeah.
I suspect that it's kind of an alter ego
No.
of Michael Lyons, the rockstar cartoonist. It's just what I think. I mean, I don't think he identifies or anything like that. But, you know. Anyway, and there you have it.
I used to feel so uninspired. Weenie Mushane. Until the day I met you. Life was so unkind. Your love was my peace of mind. You make me feel. Wow, this is a pretty drive, huh?
Yeah, I'll say. It's a really pretty drive.
Out on the road.
I remember one night and the casual fight by candlelight as the room grew dim. You lied to me
Out on the road today, I saw a deadhead sticker on a Cadillac. Little voice inside my head said, don't look back, you can never look back. I thought I knew what love was, what did I know? Those days are gone forever, I should just let them go. That song kind of bumps me out.
Really?
Yeah, well, it kind of reminds me of friends I had when I was a girl and who aren't with us anymore.
Oh, yeah.
You know, every year I get a little more sentimental.
Yeah, me too.
I remember one day, and you and me in a pouring rain, water ran down my chin. So you pulled me close and you drank it in. I remember your ways, and you and me in a sad embrace. But I remember a place where you pulled me close and you kissed my face. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again.
Oh, look out, bikers. I hope it's not the Hells Angels.
Hells, those guys would be in their 80s by now.
Born to be wild. Get your motor running.
Head out on the highway.
I'm looking for adventure in whatever comes our way. Hikes. It's a narrow road, man.
Yeah, I know.
Oops, what's going on here? Oh, they're doing some construction.
Yeah.
It's that time of year. Gotta fix the roads.
Way back when, but I don't know how, you sacrificed my sacred cow. That was then, this is now. If life's a stage, then take a bow. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again. Will I ever see you again? No, I don't think I'll ever see you again.
What's going on up here now?
Oh, it's a camper.
Oh, I'm going camping. Come on, sweetie, let's get the camper. We'll go up here into the mountains and go fishing.
A second
We can sleep in the
honeymoon.
camper. Oh, what a weekend we'll have. We'll fall in love all over again.
It'll be like when we first met. Back in the days.
Man, the
of
kind of trouble people go through to relax.
It'll be a big pain in the neck
wow.
to relax. To take it
I wonder if
easy.
there's any Bigfoot up in these hills.
Oh, you
No.
you can better believe it. This is squatching territory.
You know, if I saw a Bigfoot, I wouldn't even tell anybody.
Oh, really?
People don't want to hear it. It freaks them out. They call you crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, she must be crazy. Why? Because I saw something that they say doesn't exist.
Mm-hmm. No.
I don't know, man. But you'd never guess it was the end of the world up here. Looks peaceful and perfect.
Yeah, it does.
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. It's not warm when she's away. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Wonder this time where she's gone. Wonder if she's gone to stay. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. And I know, 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 I know. Oh, leave young thing alone. I know sunshine when she's gone. And no sunshine when she's gone. Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. This house just ain't no home anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away. Anytime she goes away.
Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. Pretty women are walking with gorillas down my street. Da-dum, da-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum. From my window I'm staring while my coffee grows cold.
Bottom, 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 bottom.
Look over there!
Where?
There is Jeannie with her new boyfriend.
Bottom, 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 bottom.
It's very nowhere engaged or something, so I'm told.
Bottom, 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 bottom.
Is she really going out with him? Is she really gonna take him home tonight? Is she really going out with him? If my eyes don't deceive me, there's something going wrong around here. Around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around here. Something's going wrong around. Bottom, 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 bum, 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 bum. Bottom, 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 bum, bum, bottom.
But if looks could kill, there's a man there who's marked out as dead. 'Cause I've had my fill. Listen, you take your hands from her head. I get so mean around the scene. Hey, 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 hey. Oh,
do bottom 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 bum bum bottom 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 bum bum bottom 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 bum bottom 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 bum bum bottom.
Wow, is she really going out with him? Oh, I can't believe my eyes. Is she really going out with him? Oh, it's not easy sometimes when you love somebody but they don't love you back.
I think it's called Unrequited
Is she really
Love
going out
with him. Yeah. Da, da, da.
That song gets kind of dark when you...
Da, da, da.
That song gets kind of dark when you think about it.
Oh, really? How so?
Just like in the refrain, where he goes, but it looks good, kill. There's a man there who's marked down as dead.
Yeah.
If looks could kill, there's a man who's marked down as dead, because his look would kill him.
Yikes.
Listen, you, take your hands from her head. Listen, you, mister.
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nanaboozhoo loves Natasha.
Would kill him.
Yikes.
Oh,
Listen, you, take your hands from her head. Listen, you, mister, take your hands from her head. I get so mean around the scene. I get so mean around the scene. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Maybe it's not that creepy.
It's kind of creepy.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Tonight I wanna give it all to you. In the darkness there's so much I wanna do. And tonight we're gonna lay it at your feet. 'Cause girl, I was made for you. And girl, you were made for me. I was made for loving you, baby. Let's live here. Let's move here.
Just like that?
Yeah. Let's just pack up. Let's throw away everything and come move here.
Bug out.
Rent a place and then figure out how we can pay the bills later. It's so pretty out here. I never want to go home. Alright.
never coming.
Hey, you kids, you better behave back there.
Don't make me
We'll
come
turn
back
the car
there.
around.
This is the end. Tomorrow I'll
We
say
there yet?
we can still be friends, but I'm never coming back here again. lost in the thoughts of a young man's fears. I cannot swim in a sea of tears. I found you out and then I disappeared. Now I'm never coming back here again. I'm never coming back here again. This is it now, this is the end. I'm never coming back here again. And so it comes down to this: one sad parting farewell kiss, goodbyes in this morning's mist. What's mine is yours, but what's yours is his. So I'm never coming back here again. I'm never